iPhone 16e versus iQOO 13. When it comes to screen real estate, the iPhone 16e boasts a 6.1-inch display with a stunning 87.1% screen-to-body ratio, making it perfect for media consumption. Meanwhile, the iQOO 13 offers a larger 6.82-inch display, maximizing your viewing experience with a 90.2% screen-to-body ratio. Bigger is better for gaming and streaming. The iPhone 16e features a 48-megapixel wide lens that excels in low-light conditions, ensuring your photos are bright and detailed. In contrast, the iQOO 13 takes it up a notch with a remarkable 50-megapixel wide lens, complemented by a telephoto and ultra-wide lens, allowing for versatile photography options, including 2x optical zoom. Capture every moment with precision. With the iPhone 16e, you can choose between 128 GB, 256 GB, or 512 GB of internal storage, all paired with 8 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking. On the flip side, the iQOO 13 offers a more extensive range of options, including the 256 and 512 GB variants with up to 16 GB of RAM, making it a powerhouse for heavy users and gamers. Store all your favorite apps and games without worry. The iPhone 16e provides a resolution of 1170 by 2532 pixels, delivering crisp visuals at 457 ppi density. However, the iQOO 13 takes the lead with a higher resolution of 1440 by 3168 pixels, achieving an impressive 510 ppi density, perfect for those who crave ultra-sharp images and vibrant colors. See every detail come to life. Under the hood, the iPhone 16e is powered by a hexa-core processor that balances performance and efficiency, ideal for everyday tasks. In comparison, the iQOO 13 runs on an octa-core setup that pushes boundaries with its high clock speeds, ensuring seamless gaming and multitasking experiences. Experience speed like never before. The iPhone 16e packs a Li-ion 4005 mAh battery, providing all-day usage without a hitch. On the other hand, the iQOO 13 boasts a larger SiC 6150 mAh battery, designed for those who demand more power for extensive gaming sessions or media binge watching. Keep going longer without stopping. For selfies, the iPhone 16e features a 12-megapixel front camera that captures stunning portraits with depth and clarity. The iQOO 13 ups the ante with a 32-megapixel selfie camera, ensuring your self-portraits are sharp and detailed, perfect for social media sharing. Look your best every time. The iPhone 16e flaunts a premium glass front and back with an aluminum frame, giving it a sleek and elegant feel. Meanwhile, the iQOO 13 combines glass and aluminum for durability and style, ensuring it looks good while withstanding daily wear and tear. Both phones are built to impress. The iPhone 16e is equipped with the Apple A18 chipset, built on a 3nm process for optimal performance and efficiency. In contrast, the iQOO 13 features the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, also at 3nm, delivering exceptional speed and responsiveness. Choose the powerhouse that suits your needs. The iPhone 16e showcases a Super Retina XDR OLED display, providing stunning colors and deep contrasts, making every image pop. The iQOO 13, with its LTPO AMOLED display, not only offers vibrant colors, but also supports a 144Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. Enjoy visuals like never before. For video recording, the iPhone 16e supports 4K resolution at various frame rates, ensuring high-quality video capture with HDR capabilities. The iQOO 13 takes it further with 8K video recording, offering unparalleled detail and clarity for those who want the best in video quality. Capture your adventures in stunning detail. The iPhone 16e is priced at $590, reflecting its premium features and brand reputation. In comparison, the iQOO 13 comes in at a competitive $550, offering exceptional value for those looking for high-end specifications without breaking the bank. Get more for your money.